Hello, this is Scott, and welcome back to House How. Ever wondered how to maintain your bathroom like a pro? We've all been there, staring at a dripping faucet or a grimy shower, unsure of where to start. Well, we're here to help. Today, we'll delve into the world of DIY bathroom maintenance, covering everything from cleaning to tackling those pesky plumbing issues to waterproofing and even exploring some nifty bathroom gadgets. We'll also guide you through the essential tools and supplies you'll need. So, without further ado, here's how you can become a pro at maintaining your bathroom.
Honey, get me the wrench. Oh, no, that one. No, that one. Yeah.
First things first, a clean bathroom is a healthy bathroom. Now, you might be thinking, it's a bathroom. How clean can it really be? Well, with regular maintenance and the right cleaning products, you'd be surprised how spick and span you can keep this space. Cleaning your bathroom should be a regular part of your house maintenance routine. Not only will this keep the room looking fresh, but it will also help to prevent the buildup of mold and mildew, which can cause a whole host of health problems. When it comes to the best cleaning products, it's not always about buying the most expensive ones on the market. Look for products that are specifically designed for bathrooms, as these will often contain ingredients to combat common bathroom issues such as lime scale and soap scum. Now, let's talk about cleaning bathroom fixtures, tiles, and mirrors. For fixtures, a gentle all-purpose cleaner will usually do the trick. For tiles, consider using a scrub brush and a mildew-resistant cleaner. As for mirrors, a simple mix of vinegar and water can leave them sparkling clean. But remember, cleaning is not just about the products you use, it's about the effort you put into it. Make sure to clean those hard-to-reach places, and don't neglect areas like the shower drain or the area behind the toilet. Remember, a clean bathroom is not just about aesthetics, it's about health and hygiene. Now, on to the inevitable, plumbing issues. They're like uninvited guests that show up at the most inconvenient times. Common culprits include leaky faucets and clogged drains. Now, if it's a simple drip-drip scenario, you might be able to fix it by tightening the faucet using a wrench. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. On the other hand, clogged drains might require a bit more work. If your trusty plunger doesn't do the trick, you might want to try a hand auger. It's a fantastic tool that extends a metal wire down your drain to break up the blockage. However, if these fixes don't work, or if you're dealing with something more complex like a leak inside the wall, unless you are a confident pro DIYer, it might be time to call in the professionals. Yes, it's always good to be a DIY enthusiast, but remember there's no shame in seeking help when needed. Don't let small plumbing issues turn into big problems. Address them ASAP. Waterproofing is your bathroom's invisible shield. It's essential to maintaining the integrity of your home, preventing costly water damage, and keeping your bathroom looking its best. This silent hero works behind the scenes, ensuring that water stays where it belongs, in your pipes and fixtures, and not in your walls or floors. So, how do you make sure your bathroom is properly waterproofed? Start by examining the areas most prone to water exposure. These include your shower, bathtub, and sink areas. Look for signs of water damage like discoloration, peeling paint or wallpaper, or a musty smell. If you spot any of these red flags, it's time to take action. DIY waterproofing solutions range from applying a fresh coat of waterproof paint to installing new tiles or sealing gaps with silicone caulk. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Regularly check your bathroom's waterproofing. It's a small task that can save you from big problems down the line. Modern problems require modern solutions, and that's where bathroom gadgets come in. You'd be amazed at how technology has seeped into every nook and cranny of our homes, including the bathroom. Take, for instance, automatic soap dispensers. They're not just for public restrooms anymore. Having one in your home reduces the spread of germs and keeps your bathroom cleaner. Then there's the self-cleaning toilet. Yes, you heard that right. A toilet that cleans itself. It uses a combination of automated flushes and cleaning solutions to keep the bowl sparkling clean. No more scrubbing or harsh chemicals needed. How about a digital shower controller? They are a helpful gadget and are easy to install and use. They can also save on your water bills. And no bathroom shower is complete without a Bluetooth shower speaker. You can listen to your favorite tunes or catch up on podcasts while taking a shower. These gadgets might seem like a luxury, but they can make your life much easier. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to maintaining your bathroom like a pro. We've covered everything from the basics of bathroom cleaning to tackling small plumbing issues, ensuring waterproofing, and even exploring some handy bathroom gadgets. Remember, a clean bathroom is not only aesthetically pleasing, but it also promotes good health and well-being. We also delved into the different tools and supplies you'll need. Having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference when it's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. It's all about being prepared and knowing what to do. Home maintenance may seem daunting, but with the right approach and a little bit of elbow grease, it becomes a manageable and even enjoyable task. With a little effort and the right knowledge, you can keep your bathroom in top shape. Now let's go to Wayne with some important final information.
Thanks, Scott. So fellow DIYers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow homeowners. Check the description for links to all of the tools, supplies, and gadgets we discussed here today. And as always, have a happy DIY day.